Hello guys, I'm here. Today guys, we're going to do harvesting fruit. Like this is cherries, raspberries, and what else? Strawberries. Okay, so let's start here guys. These are cherries. See, look at all the thing. All this. So needs to pick them because they are getting ripe and the birds are eating it already. And can you hear the birds singing? Let's see. There. I need to use scissors. Oh, so look, one is already eaten. Oh my gosh, this is eaten as well.
Yeah, we are too late already.
See, there is.
Yeah.
So just leave it here, so it will grow. So that's. Oh, there's a tiny bit, but I think that's okay. So I think we have to collect all of them, guys, because
Yeah.
it's already less and eaten half of it. So yeah, yeah, nice to harvest. Okay, and this. And oh my gosh, what's this? Look at the. Oh, so it's not the birds eating it, guys. It's the ants. It's the
There's
black.
ant there.
It's yeah. See,
Throw it off.
there's
Yeah.
an ants there.
Yeah.
So they're the one eating it.
Yeah.
Oh, are you looking in the camera?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So I'll throw it there. So
Let's see one.
yeah. So I have to take all of them, pick all of them.
Yeah.
So it's good because we are sharing it, guys, with the ants and birds. So whatever left is for us. It's good they left something for us. There's one more here. So that's it. So that's the cherries, but there's another cherries in the other side. And in here, there is raspberries. So I have to go here. You have to go here. This is overripe. These are overripe already. So can you hold this? So I'll see if it's. Oh, it's still okay. Some are already overripe. Oh, yeah, that's overripe. Oh, because the weather is sometimes cold and then suddenly hot. So I think that's the reason why they become like this. Oh, it's. Oh dear. So I just throw all the overripe on the ground so they will grow again next year. So that's
Down. Yeah.
this.
Yep.
This is a bit but it's okay. That's overripe.
Can see a bit over the right one.
Yeah. And here. Yes, that's nice. And here as well. Because the thing with raspberries is you cannot see them because they are under the leaves. So just put it there so they will grow. I didn't plant this. This is the one that grew by itself. The one that I planted on the other side, they're gone. So I got another one planted here, and they're still growing. So this
No,
one,
apples or apricots.
yeah, later. This one is new shoot. There's no flowers, but next year there will be a lot of flowers. So this one, once this is flowers, I have to cut it. Once the fruit gone, I'll cut it so it will grow more like this for next year. So, there's one here. So it's difficult to see because they are hiding under the leaves. It's good to go like this. There. Oh, it's overripe. Okay, so these are the raspberries, but then they are.
Looks like you're bleeding.
Yeah, it looks like I'm bleeding because of the raspberries is red. Okay, I'll go in here because I think there is. Oh, it's overripe as well.
Just leave them if they're over
Here. Oh, it's they already eaten by birds. Okay, so that's it. And then we go over here. We have to be careful. Okay. So here guys, look at this. It's amazing. So we need to these are nice. Is in a bunch. A bunch of cherries. Yes. So the one from here, they are eaten by the birds. So it's good they didn't see this. So that's it. Go. Okay. So now, okay guys, so look at these strawberries. So I think I need to cut them now because they are getting old. It's tiny, but there's one here. It's sitting on the soil. So that's the only strawberries at the moment. So that's the first harvest. So there's more here, but oh yeah, it's still green. They are still green. So okay, let's see. Oh, there's some more here.
Probably overripe by the looks of it. You
Yeah.
can tell from the cover.
So no, it's okay. These brown bits, they are okay. Okay, hold this. And then these are the tiny one because they are planted in the pot. Because once this one is one suited planted in the ground. So it's very therapeutic harvesting. So there's a lot here. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's enough harvest for today. We'll harvest again tomorrow. I think it's good to harvest every day. Okay. Okay guys, look at this. This is the harvest for today. See that nice? One harvest is enough for a day and then tomorrow again. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.